Hello, my name is Joshua Cruz. I'm going to explain the fluid mosaic model and why cell transport is necessary. Cell transport is necessary to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability of a cell to seek and maintain stability of solutes. This is my model of the cell membrane. And there's two types of transports. One being passive and one being active. The passive transport consists of diffusion, osmosis, and facilitated diffusion. Active transport consists of exocytosis, endocytosis, and potassium and sodium pump. Sodium-potassium pump. These here represents the phospholipids, which consists of phospholipid heads and the phospholipid tails. These make up the cell membrane. These are cholesterol, which provide energy for the cell. This will represent the channel protein, which will be used in facilitated diffusion. This is a sodium-potassium pump. And this is a peripheral protein, or this will represent the peripheral protein, which will provide extra energy for the cell. And these will represent glycolipids, which identify the cell and provide energy for the cell. Now, first we're going to start with diffusion, which is the movement of solutes through the membrane. Now, this is a passive transport, so we'll move through the cell membrane from a low concentration of solutes to from a high concentration of solutes to a low concentration of solutes. Now, the next one is osmosis, which is the movement of water molecules across the membrane. So they will move from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. So they'll move through the cell membrane. And then there's facilitated diffusion, which are going to be these. They are going to move from a higher concentration to a lower concentration through these channel proteins. They can only transport through these channel proteins. Now for active transports, we're going to start with homeostasis. Now the cell membrane is going to want this big molecule right here. They will take in the big molecule, surround it, and bring it in the cell membrane. Now then there's exocytosis, where the big molecule, the cell membrane is gonna force it out, so they will surround it and they will bring it out of the cell. And then that's it. And then for the sodium-potassium pump, there's going to be three sodium molecules that will transport out of the cell through the protein, through the potassium and sodium pump. And once there's three sodium solutes, They will go outside of the cell membrane through the sodium potassium pump, and then two potassium solutes are going to go through the through the sodium potassium pump and into the cell and into the cell. And that is my mosaic model.